guys, it's your girl Fabulous Victoria and I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video I will be doing a VOXBOX number. I honestly forgot because I've been losing count because I've been getting so many VOXBOXes lately. And honestly, I just recently got another VOXBOX in the mail and it was like these little pineapple ginger shot things. I'm not really gonna do like a whole review or whatever here, so if you guys do follow me on Instagram, I will have like my reaction to drinking that there. And the thing is, I actually filmed that today, so I'm more than likely it's not gonna be there for long. But anyway, yeah, so that was another thing that I have. So that's pretty much that, and I will have just tons of VOXBOX content for you guys coming very, very soon. But before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys are a part of my journey, and hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of when I upload. Alright guys, so this VOXBOX video is going to be about Tresemme products. They gave me a shampoo and a conditioner, and it pretty much was these two products here. It's the Tresemme Keratin Repair Bond Plex shampoo and conditioner. So here's the shampoo in black and here is the conditioner in white. Now guys, I have to be very, very honest. When I originally got these products, I was thinking to myself, okay, well, I don't know if Tresemme is going to really work on my natural hair because, you know, it's not really a natural product. But the one thing that made me hopeful was the fact that I seen keratin on there, because, you know, keratin's really good with helping with the strength and things like that of your hair. So that was one thing that did keep me hopeful. And guys, I must say I have to eat my words because these products worked really, really good, honestly. I really liked the shampoo simply because it had a nice lather to it. I really, really love a shampoo with a nice lather because it makes me just feel like my hair is actually getting clean. So that was one thing I truly loved about this product. And another thing is the size of the bottle, guys. The size of the bottle is 20 fluid ounces. So this is gonna last me for a long, long time because as you guys can see, this is how huge this bottle is. Had a great lather. So another thing about the shampoo is I thought that it was going to dry out my natural hair, but honestly guys, it was acting as if it was a moisturizing shampoo. So it pretty much prepped my hair. And on top of that, I pre-poo beforehand. If you guys are not aware of what pre-pooing is, I have a whole video on that. So I pre-pooed beforehand and I made sure that my hair was thoroughly detangled. And then when I went in with the shampoo, this actually just helped moisturizing my strands and keeping them nice and hydrated. So then when I went in with the conditioner, everything was just all seamlessly coming together. Now guys, as far as the ingredients goes with this, they're probably not the best, but sometimes I like to just go with what really works for my hair rather than looking at the ingredients and things because, you know, my hair has been flourishing and growing and still maintaining its health with me using all of these products and things that I've been getting. And a lot of them don't have the good stuff in it. So, you know, I'm just like, you know, I still see good growth and things like that in my hair. I still see my hair being healthy. So sometimes I just don't regard that stuff, which I know is probably bad, but like, what you want me to do? Like, as far as the ingredients, the first ingredient is water. The second one is a sodium of some sort. There is sodium sulfate in here as well. There's betaine, glycerin, sodium chloride, hydrolyzed keratin. So there's a lot of sodium sulfate in this product here. But like I said, for the most part, it really, really did help with my hair, and it, you know, was a great product for me. It honestly made me feel like I was at a salon with the way that the shampoo felt on my hair. As far as the smell of it, it has that salon smell as well. It smells like, you know, a shampoo that you would get from a beauty shop or something. So it does have that great beauty shop smell as well. And the smell of this does not really linger on your hair after you are shampooing and conditioning either. Okay guys, so on to the conditioner. Now this conditioner here was extremely thick, guys. It was so hard to get out of the bottle while I was in the shower, and I was like, golly. But it's a really, really thick product and things like that. The one thing that I would change about this conditioner is that I wish that it had a little bit more slip. It was just not enough slip for me. Like, I like to have my conditioners help me to soften as well as, you know, add slip, so then when it does go into me rinsing it out, it just feels absolutely phenomenal to my hair. But that really wasn't the case for this. When it came down to what my review was for Influencer, I gave it a 4-star rather than a 5-star. The shampoo got a 5-star simply because it just did everything that I wanted it to do. But as far as the conditioner, I really wish that it had more slip. Now, I do think that maybe it could have just been me, because sometimes when I'm in the shower, I kind of neglect adding more water to my hair to kind of like, you know, give it that slip. But I'm gonna definitely give it another try and see if maybe it changes from then or whatever. But for the most part, I really, really wish that this product had a lot more slip, because it was just not the amount of slip that I wanted it to have. Now, as far as some of the ingredients, it has water in it. It has cetyl alcohol. So yeah, not some good stuff, guys. It has hydrolyzed keratin, dimethylamine. Yeah, so a lot of pretty bad things in this one, which, you know, this is probably why this felt like it had no slip for me. But, you know, I'm definitely willing to give it another shot. I feel like these products will work really, really well when I try to straighten my hair as well. So, you know, if I ever get around to straightening my hair, I'm definitely going to try that out and see these products and see if they really work well with my hair and everything like that. So yeah, we will see then, okay? And then maybe we will revisit and use these products again, and then I will show you guys how everything turns out. Alright guys, so my overall opinions of these products, whether they were stashes or trashes, I'm going to have to say that I will definitely stash the shampoo. As far as the conditioner, I'm probably going to trash it for right now, but I won't take it all the way out to the garbage. I'm just gonna leave it in the trash, and then if I ever decide to come back to it, then I'll pick it out of there. You know what I mean? Like, you know, when you put things on the top and then you go back to it and go dig it out. I'm not a trash digger. I'm just saying, like, you know, you guys get what I mean, I hope. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the shampoo and the conditioner. Alright guys, so that is it for this really, really quick review. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys would like to see more VoxBoxes in the future. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one.